nerve pain, do not take gabapentin. Did you know that neuropathy symptoms are completely reversible? Let me explain why and show you the fastest, easiest way to keep them under control without meds or expensive treatments. Researchers at Karolinska Institute found that neuropathy symptoms are caused by spiky molecules that attach themselves to nerves. These molecules erode the natural protection of nerve endings and create a vicious cycle. That's why it's so hard to get rid of it with common treatments, no matter what you try. And worse, if you don't eliminate these molecules, the problem keeps growing on the inside. Over time, you'll feel more than just numbness, tingling, or burning feet. It can lead to mobility loss and may even bring you closer to limb amputation. But it doesn't stop there. These molecules can get into your bloodstream, causing swelling, pain, and weakness. If you feel tired all the time, sleep poorly, or experience frequent body aches and pains, it could be a sign that the spike molecule is in your blood. That's why you have to eliminate it from the inside out. And the solution has been right in front of us for hundreds of years. A simple yellow vitamin that boosts production of an analgesic nutrient that can combat these spiky molecules at the root. And the best part? Over 38,000 people are already using this yellow vitamin, and the results have been incredible, even in the worst cases. If you've tried everything and nothing worked, click the button below and watch the short video that explains it all. You'll see how this yellow vitamin can help you keep neuropathy under control at home. It works because it targets the real root cause and helps with the most common symptoms, like numbness in the legs and arms, tingling in the hands and feet, burning feet, weakness, reduced sensitivity, and mobility loss. My husband suffered from neuropathy for years, but after discovering this yellow vitamin, he threw away all the gabapentin bottles. Now he tends to our garden, joins me on afternoon walks, and is finally able to sleep through the night again. Now, one last warning. For reasons you'll understand once you watch, the following video will be available for free only until the end of the day. So stop whatever you're doing and watch it to see how this ritual can help you get rid of neuropathy suffering for good without spending a single dollar on meds or expensive treatments.